Welcome to this immersive property tour brought to you on behalf of Nyama, Problemi Limited and www.bg.house. Today, we're taking you to the heart of rural Bulgaria, to a peaceful place where time slows down. Welcome to Osikovo Village in the Targovishte region. If you've ever dreamed of owning a home surrounded by nature, serenity, and authentic village charm, this might just be the place you've been waiting for. As we begin our journey, imagine driving through winding roads lined with thick green forest. The trees arch above you like a canopy, and sunlight trickles through the leaves. You pass wildflowers and open fields, and after a short drive from the nearby town of Popovo, you arrive at Osakovo, a small and peaceful village, where the quiet hum of birds and breeze replace the noise of the city. And there it is, your future home. It needs work, but worth it, I think. This charming two-story house stands with quiet pride, full of rustic character and traditional Bulgarian architecture. The roof, solid and sloped, the walls time-worn but sturdy, and the surrounding land stretching out across a generous 1,645 square meters. As you approach the property, you're greeted by an expansive garden, grassy, open, and dotted with trees. It's the kind of space where you could grow your own vegetables, build a summer kitchen, or simply place a hammock and let the days drift by. To your left, a few traditional outbuildings sit, offering possibilities for storage, workshops, or even guest accommodation with a bit of creativity. And yes, there's even an outdoor toilet, a humble beginning, but also a blank slate for renovation. There is running water and electricity on site, so modernizing this home is more a question of vision than viability. Let's step inside. The ground floor of the house welcomes you with a corridor that connects to several spaces. There's a laundering room, a kitchen area, and 3 impressive stone-walled basements. Cool and solid, these basements offer endless potential. They could become wine cellars, a workshop, or even rustic guest lounges with the right touch. Climb the wooden stairs and you'll find yourself on the second floor, where a corridor leads to 3 good-sized rooms and a storage space. Each room has views out onto the surrounding countryside. The walls may need some fresh plaster, and the floors could benefit from polishing or tiling, but the structure is sound. These rooms could become cozy bedrooms, peaceful offices, or artistic retreats. You decide. Imagine sipping morning coffee on a future terrace, birdsong in the background, the forest stretching beyond the garden fence. Picture growing your own herbs, keeping chickens, or finally having the space and peace to paint, write, or simply breathe. Osikovo isn't just a place, it's a way of life. The village itself is small, with a warm, welcoming community. There's a local shop, a post office, and a bus stop that connects you to Popovo in just 20 minutes. From there, Ruse and Veliko Tarnovo, 2 of Bulgaria's cultural gems, are just an hour away. You're remote enough to enjoy deep tranquility, yet close enough to remain connected to city amenities, healthcare, and entertainment. From an investment perspective, this property offers strong potential. Rural Bulgarian homes are gaining attention for their affordability and renovation flexibility. With some updates, a bathroom, some modern insulation, perhaps solar panels, you could increase this home's value significantly. And when you need support, Nyama Problemi Limited, a fully licensed building and property management company, is ready to help. They can manage renovations, legal work, and even long-term property care. Perfect if you're abroad or planning occasional visits. And if you're a non-European buyer, don't worry. While some paperwork may be required, the process remains straightforward, especially with experts like Nyama Problemi Limited guiding you every step of the way. So what do you see when you look at this Osikovo home? Maybe it's a peaceful getaway. Maybe it's your creative sanctuary. Or maybe it's your forever home in the countryside. Whatever your dream may be, this charming Bulgarian house is ready to become a part of it. We hold the keys, and we'd love to welcome you to your new life in Osikovo. For more information or to schedule a private viewing, contact us today. And don't forget to visit www.bg.house to explore renovation and management services from Nyama Problemi Limited. Your Bulgarian countryside adventure begins now.